Welcome back to my channel, Licensed Immigration. Today I will show you how to fill out the newest version of Form I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status Part 4. I will guide you step by step. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also turn on your notification bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. If you want to have a better understanding of the form, you need to watch the whole video and prior parts that I have uploaded in the channel. So as you can see, this is part 4 of the Form I-485. I priorly uploaded the parts of part 3, part 2, part 1. For you to have a better understanding, you need to watch all the parts of the video. And as you can see, we're now in part 4. The form is pretty long. I will keep going with you guys through how to fill out this form. And I'm gonna now continue where I left off in part 3. Part A, general eligibility and inadmissibility grounds. So in this option, I did no. If it's yes, you must need to fill this out. And any of this blank, if this question belongs to you, you will keep filling it in. Part A, general, it keeps on. Part A. So if this question belongs to you, have you ever been denied admission to the United States? Yes or no. Have you been ever denied to the visa to the United States? Yes or no. Have you ever worked in the United States without authorization? Yes or no. Have you ever violated terms or conditions of your non-immigrant status? Yes or no. Are you presently or have you ever been in removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceeding? Yes or no. Have you ever been issued final order of exclusion, deportation, or removal? Yes or no. Have you ever had a prior final order of exclusion, deportation, removal, and reinstated? Yes or no. Have you ever held lawful permanent resident status which was later rescinded? Have you ever been granted voluntary departure by an immigration officer or an immigration judge but failed to depart with a time allotted time? Yes or no. Have you ever applied for any kind of relief or protection from removal, exclusion, or deportation? Yes or no. Have you been a J non-immigrant exchange visitor who has subject to 2-year 4-year resident requirement? Yes or no. And if you answer yes to item number 24A, complete item 24B, 24C. If you answer no to item number 24A, skip to item number 25. Have you ever been arrested, cited, charged, or detained for any reasons by any law enforcement official, including but not limited to any U.S. immigrant official or any official to the U.S. Armed Forces, to the U.S. Coast Guard? Yes or no. Have you ever committed crime of any kind? Yes or no. Have you ever played guilty or convicted or any crime or offense? Yes or no. Have you ever been ordered to be punished by a judge or high condition imposed on you restrain your liberty? Yes or no. Have you ever been defended to accuse of criminal proceedings? Yes or no. Have you ever been violated? Yes or no. As you can see, they ask you many questions that you must answer. It's just yes or no, guys. And they're going to continue, okay? Have you ever been convicted of 2 or more offenses? Yes or no. Have you ever illegally trafficked or benefited from trafficking and controlled substances such as chemicals, illegal drugs, or narcotics? Have you ever knowingly aided, abated, assisted, conspired, or colluded, or in illicit trafficking for any illegal narcotic or other controlled substances? Yes or no. Are your spouse, son, or daughter foreign national illicitly trafficked or aided? Yes or no. Have you ever engaged prostitution, or are you coming to the United States to engage in prostitution? Yes or no. Have you ever directly or indirectly procured? Have you ever received any proceeds or from money prostitution? Do you intend to engage in illegal gambling? Yes or no. Have you ever exercised immunity? Yes or no. Have you ever, while serving as a foreign government official, has responsible for directly carried out violations of religious freedom? Yes or no. Have you ever induced by force, fraud, or coercion, otherwise been involved in trafficking or in person for commercial sex? Yes or no. Have you ever trafficked person in military service, peonage, debit, bondage, or slavery? Yes or no. Have you ever knowledgeably aided, abated, assisted, conspired, or colluded with other trafficking persons for commercial sex act or involuntary servitude, peonage, debit, bondage, or slavery. Are you a spouse or daughter for your natural trafficking person? Have you received or obtained? Yes or no. Have you ever engaged money laundering? Yes or no. As many questions keeps going, guys. Security and related. Do you tend to engage in an activity that violates or invades any law relating to Spanish? Include spying, yes or no. So you guys, if this question, I'm gonna just go and continue. You guys going to keep on reading these questions. If it belongs to you, if it goes, it's personal questions. So a lot of, have yes or no. See all of this? You just read and recruited item, providing money. It's just questions that they want to see. Verify what the reasons by your record, And usually, if you lie, they will find out. So always try to put the truth in these papers. So always try to fill out the best that you can. I'm just trying to, guys, trying to make this video no more longer than it has to be. So just a lot of questions, like killing. You have killed a person. See, just like criminal stuff. So, public assistance. Have you ever received public assistance? Yes or no? Are you likely to receive public assistance? Illegal other immigrants violations. Unlawful person of a legal reason after previous violation, immigration violation. Malicious conduct. Do you practice polygamy in the United States? Have you ever applied for section of discharge from taking service U.S. Armed Forces, U.S. National? See, there are personal questions. So you just have to click in the answer that belongs to you. This is, are you requesting accommodation because of disability or impairments? So now we are almost in the end of the form. Applicant statement. I can read English or understand. So if you click that option, if you understand. Oh, you have an interpreter. The interpreter must fill this out. Or prepare. Applicant contact information. If you have any email address, please provide it in the form. So you'll need to read the statement for you could have a better understanding what you are agreeing in. So you'll read that. Your signature. Remember, you cannot use the computer to sign. You need to sign with black ink and the date of the signature. Interpreter contact information, if an interpreter filled out this for you. And also, if a preparer filled out the form, they will need to fill this out. And remember, right before prior videos and this video from part 14, I explained to have some pages like to fill additional information. So if you need more space, this is the page that you'll fill out. You will use for more space. Okay, guys. So stay tuned for more videos. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Also turn on your notification bell to receive notification. Be aware of the filing fee. They usually, by time to time, they change. Also the expiration date for the form. As you can see in this form, the expiration is July 31, 2021. So always get your form from uscis.gov. Also, uscis.gov always make updates, filing fees, forms. If you have any questions, remember to comment below. I would be gladly to help. And stay tuned for more videos and have a blessed day. Thank you.